Hi, I'm Claes from Primus, and today I will talk about gas and try to answer a question: how much gas do I need for my adventure? I brought the three different types. We have the summer gas, we have the winter gas, and here is the power gas. Power gas is the more all-round. It works pretty good in every condition. Winter gas works best in cold conditions, while the summer gas, as you can guess, works better in warm conditions. Before answering the question, how much gas do I need, you need to think of how you will cook during your adventure. Is it just to boil water for freeze-dried food and maybe a cup of coffee afterwards? Then I would say one of these could last up to a full weekend trip. When we test the stoves in lab environments, which means no wind and 20 degrees inside, a stove like this, the Primetech stove set 1.3 liter, needs about 10 grams gas to boil 1 liter of water, which means that 100 grams of gas, you can boil 10 liters of water. But you might want to double that gas consumption if it's windy conditions and maybe a bit colder. Wind protection is the most important thing to lower your gas consumption. If you look at this Primetech stove set, we can see it has a wind protection windshield that is working pretty good, but it's always a good idea to hide behind something that covers the wind even more. Our Primetech pots also have the heat exchanger underneath, and that helps to reduce the gas consumption up to 50%. How do I know how much gas I have left in the canister? If you don't hear any liquid in there, you know it's soon to be empty. But the only thing that you can for sure determine how much gas is left is by using a scale. This canister weighs empty pretty close to 100 grams, and I know that it contains 100 grams of gas, which means that if I put this on a scale and it weighs 150 grams, then I know I used up half of the gas. And to summarize this talk about gas, I like to point out that it's important to bring extra gas. If you bring more than you think you need, you will be safe. Also, you can practice by putting this one on the scale when you get back home, and you know you cooked 2 meals, and you see how much gas you have left, then you know how much gas you have used and probably will use on your next trip. And also, you can get a good sense of how much this feels like. So when you're outside the next time, you can shake it and you can feel that, oh, this is about 1/3 left, or something like that.